Hello, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 2. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, enter settings, go to password and biometrics, enter lock screen password and modify password. As you can see right here, we've got first type of password, which is 6-digit PIN. Also we can select pattern, 4-digit, 4 to 16-digit password and password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. In the beginning, let's skip 4-digit password and 4 to 16-digit password because they are the same as this one 6-digit password but with different length. So let's select this one firstly. Now let's select pattern. And password with 4 to 16 alphanumeric characters. Now let's set pattern again and add fingerprint. Our fingerprint sensor is right here on the bottom of the phone. Also we can add face unlock. And this is our last way to unlock the phone. Place your face in this area. Once it's done, you can use it to unlock the phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.